My skin was a war zone, red, angry, and constantly under attack. I had tried everything: expensive creams, fancy serums, even weird snail slime masks. Nothing worked. My self-esteem plummeted with every breakout. I felt hopeless. Was clear skin just a distant dream? One day I was browsing online. I stumbled upon an article about the harsh chemicals lurking in our everyday products. It was an epiphany. Could these chemicals be the culprit behind my skin woes? Desperate times called for drastic measures. I decided to ditch the store-bought stuff and embrace the power of nature. It was time to heal my skin from the inside out. Little did I know, this decision would change my life forever. I was tired of the burning, the itching, the disappointment. Store-bought products had failed me. Every new cream felt like a gamble, and I was always the loser. The long list of unpronounceable ingredients filled me with unease. What was I really putting on my skin? Was it helping or hurting? The thought of these chemicals seeping into my body was terrifying. I yearned for a simpler time, a time when skincare wasn't so complicated. I remembered my grandmother's beautiful skin, her secret: natural remedies passed down through generations. That's when I knew. It was time to ditch the chemicals and embrace a more natural approach. Before this experiment, I documented my skin's sad state. Close-up photos captured the redness, the blemishes, the uneven texture. It wasn't pretty, but it was my reality. I wanted to see if this challenge truly made a difference. So I committed to taking weekly progress pictures. No filters, no makeup, just my raw skin for the world, or at least my phone, to see. The results? You'll have to keep reading to find out. My bathroom transformed into a mini spa overnight. It was like stepping into a serene oasis every morning, with the soft glow of candles and the soothing scent of essential oils filling the air. The transformation was magical, turning an ordinary space into a sanctuary of relaxation and rejuvenation. Out went the bottles filled with mysterious ingredients, and in came jars of honey, bowls of yogurt, and other natural wonders. I replaced all my store-bought skincare products with these wholesome, kitchen-sourced alternatives. It felt empowering to take control of what I was putting on my skin, knowing that each ingredient was pure and beneficial. Fresh fruits and vegetables became a staple in my skincare routine. From cucumbers to strawberries, each piece of produce offered unique benefits. I loved experimenting with different combinations, creating masks and scrubs that were not only effective but also fun to make. My morning routine started with a gentle cleanser made from honey and oatmeal. This natural mixture was incredibly soothing, and it smelled delicious. The honey provided antibacterial properties while the oatmeal gently exfoliated, leaving my skin feeling fresh and clean. It smelled delicious and left my skin feeling soft and supple. The texture was perfect, not too abrasive, and it rinsed off easily, leaving no residue behind. I could feel the difference immediately. My skin felt more hydrated and looked more radiant. Next, I toned with a refreshing mix of green tea and apple cider vinegar. This toner was a game changer, balancing my skin's pH and tightening my pores. The green tea provided antioxidants, while the apple cider vinegar acted as a natural astringent, making my skin feel revitalized and refreshed. In the evenings, I treated myself to a nourishing avocado and yogurt mask. This mask was incredibly hydrating and packed with vitamins. The creamy texture felt luxurious on my skin, and after rinsing it off, my face felt plump and rejuvenated. It felt so luxurious, like I was pampering myself at a fancy spa. The rich, nourishing ingredients worked wonders, and the experience was a perfect way to unwind after a long day. I looked forward to this nightly ritual, knowing it was doing wonders for my skin. To finish, I moisturized with pure argan oil, a miracle worker for my skin. This oil was incredibly hydrating and absorbed quickly, leaving no greasy residue. It was rich in essential fatty acids and vitamin E, which helped to nourish and protect my skin, making it feel soft and smooth. Every day felt like a mini adventure in my kitchen-turned laboratory. I enjoyed experimenting with different ingredients, creating custom blends that suited my skin's needs. It was a creative and fulfilling process, knowing that I was crafting something beneficial and natural. The best part? I knew exactly what I was putting on my skin, and it felt amazing. This newfound confidence in my skincare routine made me feel happier and more connected to nature. Embracing these natural ingredients transformed not just my skin, but my entire approach to self-care. Section 5. Friends and Family. From Skeptics to Believers. At first, my friends and family were skeptical. They raised eyebrows at my concoctions and questioned my sanity. "You're putting what on your face?" was a common refrain. Some even warned me about potential disasters. "You'll break out in hives," they exclaimed. "Your skin will turn green." But I was determined to prove them wrong. As the weeks went by and my skin started to glow, their skepticism turned to curiosity. They bombarded me with questions about my routine, eager to know my secrets. Now, they're my biggest cheerleaders, encouraging me to continue my natural skincare journey. Some even joined me on this adventure, ditching their store-bought products and embracing the power of nature. Section 6. Week by week, my skin transformation unfolds. Week 1 was a roller coaster. I started with high hopes, but my skin had other plans. It felt like every product I used was making things worse. My skin went through a purging phase, and I experienced a few breakouts. It was disheartening to see new blemishes every morning. It was tough, but I reminded myself that it was all part of the detox process. I took time to meditate and journal, reminding myself to stay patient. By week 2, the breakouts subsided, and my skin started to look brighter. The initial purging phase was over, and I could see a glimmer of hope. The redness significantly reduced, and my complexion appeared more even. I felt more confident stepping out without makeup. I was amazed by the difference. It was like my skin was finally responding to all the care and effort I had put in. Week 3 brought about a newfound glow. My skin had a radiance that I hadn't seen in years. My skin felt softer, smoother, and more hydrated than ever before. It was as if my skin had been reborn. I couldn't stop touching my face. The texture was so different, and I felt a sense of pride in my skin. As week 4 approached, I couldn't believe the transformation. The journey had been challenging, but the results were worth it. My skin was the clearest it had been in years. I felt a renewed sense of confidence and happiness. The dark spots had faded, and my pores appeared smaller. It was like my skin had turned back the clock. I was over the moon. The transformation was beyond my expectations, and I felt truly grateful for the journey. Section 7. 30 days later, a whole new me. 30 days flew by, and I emerged from this challenge feeling like a new person. Gone were the days of hiding behind layers of makeup. I felt confident in my own skin, flaws and all. The biggest surprise? My skin wasn't the only thing that changed. By ditching the chemicals, I felt healthier overall. I had more energy, my digestion improved, and I just felt good from the inside out. This challenge taught me that true beauty comes from within. It's about nourishing your body with natural ingredients and embracing your individuality. Section 8. Your turn, unleash your natural glow. Are you ready to embark on your own natural skincare journey? It's an exciting adventure that starts with a single step. Imagine the joy of using ingredients that are not only effective but also kind to your skin and the environment. Ditch the chemicals and rediscover the power of nature. Your skin deserves the best, and nature has provided us with an abundance of resources to nourish and rejuvenate it. It's time to unleash your inner glow. Feel the confidence that comes with healthy, radiant skin. Start by researching simple DIY recipes using ingredients you already have in your kitchen. You'll be amazed at how easy and fun it can be to create your own skincare products. Be patient, consistent, and listen to your skin. Every person's skin is unique, and it may take some time to find the perfect routine. Keep a journal to track your progress and note what works best for you. You might be surprised by the amazing results. Seeing the transformation in your skin can be incredibly rewarding and motivating. Remember, this is not just about clear skin. It's about embracing a healthier and more sustainable lifestyle. Your choices can have a positive impact on your overall well-being and the planet. Don't forget to share your experience in the comments below. your journey can inspire others to take the first step towards natural skincare. Tell me about your favorite DIY recipes, your skin transformation, and any unexpected discoveries along the way. Sharing your story can create a supportive community of like-minded individuals. And of course, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more natural skincare tips and tricks. Together, we can embrace the beauty of natural living.